What's up, YouTube? This is FNH with a brand new video about the iOS 12.3.1 update that was recently just released. And in this update, basically, I'm going to be discussing what it is, what it's about, and what this quick little fix and update they're basically doing. So just in basically overall, briefly overview of what they're doing is just basically fixing bugs for your iPhone and iPad. And to go a little bit more in depth, it shows about fixes and issues that could prevent making or receiving voice or LTE calls, basically. Issues in messages that could cause messages from unknown senders to appear in your conversation. This actually has been happening to me a lot. It happened today. I keep getting these random, I don't know if I can say the word, messages, basically, and I'm like, and like these cam girls, I'm like, yo, just stop. Who are you? I don't know you, dude. Stop. I swear to you, they're doing that. And fixes an issue that could prevent the report junk link from appearing in messages thread from unknown senders. Oh, that's interesting. I actually didn't know they had that. Oh, actually, no. I remember this. I remember them saying this is junk. Oh, yeah, that should have been happening for those weird messages that I've been getting. So yeah, that's basically what this update is doing. A fairly small, fairly quick update. I like the point one more because of the calls. I know that's been happening a lot. I still believe they messed it up with this iPhone where the signals, as you can see right now in the top right corner, is 1. It used to be like 4 bars for me, 3-4 bars. Now it's like 1, 2. I'm like, whatever. But yeah, this is just a quick little update. I wanted to give you a brief overview. If you didn't know, you can now go and download it and essentially have a new update for your iPhone and your iOS device. So yeah, guys, overall, if you liked the video and you found it helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up. It helps a lot. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. Other than that, FNH out. Peace.